Sally's Beauty Supply, Sally'sBeautySupply.com. Order your products also online. Okay, so let's see what I got. Okay, y'all, I had to get some more. Gloves. And I love these pink ones. Okay. Y'all know I love pink. Pink is my favorite color, so y'all know I had to grab these pink ones. And these gloves have aloe vera in them, okay? Contains aloe vera to help soothe and moisturize hands. Pink sheen color with full texture for a better grip, okay? Yeah. So y'all can pick y'all up a pair, ladies and gentlemen, at none other than Sally's. Now I got the medium. Yes, I got the medium ones. I think the small would have been too small. Yeah, okay. So I got that. And let's see what else I got in here. Okay, let's see what else I got from Sally's. Okay. This brand is Age Beautiful. Okay. I get the little gray. Started getting gray in my early 40s. Just a little bit around the edge. Just a little, y'all. So this works perfect, okay? It works perfect. Because my hair is really jet black. So I chose jet black. This is jet black. Permanent, okay? So if you want jet black hair and you want a good color that's going to stay, a good brand is Age Beautiful, okay? Yeah. So by using this, I only have to dye my hair like every 6 weeks. And you have to be careful with hair dye, because hair dye is just like, it is a chemical, okay? So you do. Okay, so let's see. The next thing we got is, last but not least, we couldn't forget okay, I'm back. Last but not least, the developer. Okay, and I used volume 20 so I could get a jet black. The color could stay in very long. So the darker you want, the higher you go up in the